Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the buttons in form. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, as you can see, I have created a form already. So what we need to do, we have to click on the home, and after clicking on the home, we have to click on this. So as you can see, has an option for the layout. So we have to click on the layout. And after clicking on the layout here, you will see all the buttons. If you want to add any kind of button, you can also do that. You need to drag that button from here. For example, this is called button. I'm gonna drag this button and let's drag it here, and now we are going to create this here. And now simply we need to provide that what will be the function of button, like the button will do the next find next record and the find record, go to first record, last record. Here we have to select the button function, that what will be the button function. For example, I'm going to click on the next, and now we need to provide the information that what will be button. The button should have a picture like this, or the icon like this, or the button should be written a name like this. So it's up to you. For example, I want the picture, and then simply I'm going to click on the finish, and the button is here. Now simply I'm going to drag this button here. So as you can see, button is here. Now simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to create another button as well. So let's drag this button here, and now we need to provide the button function again. For example, I'm going to like click here, next record, and next, and I'm going to click on the finish, and I'm going to add another button here. So let's click on this, and now the function of this button will be like the previous record. So let's click on the finish, and now button is here. So what we need to do, we have to go to the form view section. So as you can see, buttons are here. If you want to next record, you can also do that. If you want to add any kind of other detail, or if you want to add here, you can also do that. I'm going to previous and next. So in this way, you can add the buttons in your form in MS Access. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the buttons in form. So see you guys in the next video.